Hi, Photo2. This is Mr. Wong. Alright, so I haven't gotten a lot of your work last week. A little disappointing, but it is what it is. Okay, so some of your ads, your pictures you guys shot, really good stuff. Some of it really does feel like ads. Some of you didn't shoot your ads, but I'm assuming that's because you can't, and that's fine too. But it's gonna be tough if you can't really shoot anything. So here's this week. So this week we're gonna try, and not like you haven't done this before, guys. It's storytelling 101. This week is storytelling. I'm asking you to tell me a story. Simple write up on a doc. Give me your protagonist, your antagonist, your plot, the so what. Is it a romance? Is it a mystery? Is it a horror? Whatever it is. Here's the twist. Humans are not your subject matter. You're going to be replacing all your um, characters with objects. Now you're going, how? What? That's okay. That's the tough part. So, here's like an example. If you look, and this is just from the Lone Marinara sitting on a shelf. If we black and white this, if we do whatever to it, it's a very depressing looking bottle of marinara. It's all alone. Maybe it could be a story about the last Bertinelli marinara, right? That no one loves him. I don't know. It's a story. Question is, does it have to be a good story? Hmm, hopefully. It's a fun story at least. Part of your story is that you need to have at least three scene changes. You know, it could take place in your living room, your bathroom, your kitchen. I don't know. It's up to you. And as always, I do shoot things right. So here's something I shot real quick. Um, you know, if you're not sure how black and white works for you, black and white is the dramatic, right? And it's nice because um, it's a Lego person, but in black and white, it looks less, doesn't look as friendly for some reason, right? And if I turn him around, now it looks like he's walking away from us into the unknown of that is my bathroom, right? The sink. Um, some of you, I did look at your stuff already, and the only question or concerns I have is when you shoot, um, shoot a little lower or make sure your backgrounds are covered. Um, like for this, I want it to explore the bathroom, so thus I left everything there. And I also have a spotlight on him. So in color, this is what it looks like too. It's an external light shining from the top down, and I turn off the bathroom lights. So it has more of a dark tones and dark feel. Okay. Um, this actually looks a little creepy if you start thinking about it. If I gave him accessories, toys, so why not people? People make facial expressions. People can fake cry. Yeah, that's easy. With objects, just as like this, looking for a friend, a discarded teddy bear. I'm pretty sure most of you watch Toy Story. So if you think about it, it's like, how do you make toys have emotions? How do you make objects have emotions? If you have a ketchup bottle, maybe, or toothpaste, if it's standing up straight, it looks happy. If you crush it a little and it wilts, it looks sad. Like this chair. It's a broken chair, but also it looks like a person or like a chair that's just, I don't care anymore, right? It's an added thing. An extra thing you might want to think about is, if I can pull it up in time, Pixar. Oh, I don't know why this didn't pop up. But Pixar, okay? Pixar's light. Pixar's light itself, even though it's very simplistic, um, you know, it bends. So it's just a light, really. But how you bend it, how you move it, it looks like it's curious, looking at whatever, this is, right? It's investigative. If you bend it a different way, it looks like it's sad. So a couple references I'm going to ask you guys to look at is um, Toy Story, the Pixar light, hopping around. Think of what objects you can make to emote human emotions. You're giving it, you're humanizing your objects in a way. And as always, this is due Friday, okay, 3 p.m. But as I was saying, and I just got an email, and they haven't told me yet, but apparently they've already got a list of winners for Pele Awards. Every category has been figured out, but our category. So photo is still up in the air. They'll get it to us in the next following weeks. But yes, my Pele Award entries, it's still happening apparently. So fingers crossed, we do good. Miss Tara and Mrs. Shigimura, they also have entries that entered, and they also have winners. So congrats to them. Again, I guess as soon as I find out about Pele Awards, I will post it to you guys or make a video. But yeah, all right, kiddos. So minimum 10 pictures. Write me up a doc about what your story is going to be, who's your main characters, where your settings are, and minimum 10 photos. Shoot, shoot, shoot. And play with lighting, play with colors. That's it. All right. I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.